Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for TAO price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the daily chart, we are looking at a 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 impulse toward the upside, finishing a wave A here, or possibly a wave 1, of course, where we are seeking for a wave 2, of course, as an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. In case you are in the blue count with the wave A, of course, you are looking as well at possible A, B, and a C toward the upside. Now your blue count looks like is working much higher possibility right now, and especially with the last dip that we got for TAO. As you can see, after this impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, finishing here wave 1, of course, and probably a wave B in the current next scenario that it might be unfolding, which is an A, B, and a C, longer correction for a wave 2 probably as well, and looking for higher. Now you have finished here a wave 1 in this white count, and then you are looking for a 1, 2. Perfectly hit between the perfect fib level for a wave 2. Now it was fast, it was given of course, but to be a normal scenario here, not like that, but still okay. I mean, we got the area that we want, but very fast, not with 3, 4 and a 5 as expected. Well, no one can expect the market 100%, but the price and the scenario were there, of course. We were expecting these levels, and of course, after this impulse, now what we can say, we have probably here finished A, B, and a C or W, X, Y, because this has transformed kind of like one leg toward the downside and then moving up. Well, if it moves down back, well, that will be, yeah, that will be a little bit dramatic, yeah, but I mean, yeah, it's still possible. I mean, the problem is if we go to the 4-hour chart, you can see, okay, you can see that here you have a big 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah, so this impulse toward the downside, it doesn't look like finished, you know? This is a problem. I know I sound crazy when I say it might move back down as after looking at this wick, but I cannot just ignore also the scenario, yeah, and the craziness that it happened here. So I would say, let's say on the 4-hour chart here, okay, here everything is fine. Let's say this is a wave A and a zigzag, all right, and wave B. Now, or X, as we said in the blue count. Let's say this is kind of like that. And yeah, if the problem, it doesn't even work. I mean, if I would say, of course, this, I mean, it looks already like an impulse because you didn't take the wave 4 with the wave 1. I cannot say it's a zigzag for W even, unless I have to consider 3 ways down. But to be honest, it looks like an impulse, and I cannot ignore this. This is a problem. So what can I say is it should be a zigzag. And when it is a zigzag, okay, it is an impulse correction. And then if you are looking to 1, 2, 1, 2 here, because of course of what you're ordering, probably big 1, 2, let's say 3, okay, where is your 4, 5 to finish this zigzag? This has to be a finished impulse. You know what I mean? So A, B, and a C, yeah? So I know that we took the low and it has finished, but I see that it is a little bit not finished structure, yeah, for me, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is an impulse. Otherwise, I have to consider 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and then 3 waves down. Yeah, but as well, this is gonna be a zigzag, right? Okay, I'm with you. If this is a zigzag, where is your finished impulse? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, at least for a wave C. So what I see here is not really convincing that it is very bullish. That's the thing. Yeah. This is the thing that I have in mind. I know that it looks like psychologically, and yeah, it looks bullish. Everything is looking bullish right now, but I don't see a finished structure. I know that we got this here between the fibs, but I see that even it needs more time to unfold a wave 2. So if we take here the time for a wave 2 for this wave 1, you bottomed even before the 0.618 for a wave 2, which is, yeah, very yeah, before the uncommon time, before the common time, I would say. Now that is 0.38, of course, but very rare. But here we go. It can be in between. Yeah, so very very possible, guys. I mean, yeah, I have to consider then WXY, but this zigzag also looks like unfinished zigzag. If this is your impulse, then impulse we saw here 1, 2, 3, and then what is your wave 4 and a 5? Let me check a little bit here in the 4-hour chart. I don't know if okay 1, 2, 3, 4, but I mean this is very very shallow. Yeah, I mean look at your wave 2 even is bigger and higher in time. So I cannot say this belongs to this one. Yeah, normally this should be like that. Yeah, at least, but it is not the case. So what I'm saying, guys, that is of course a bullish. I mean, look what is the scenario. I mean, it is already there. I'm not saying that we are not bullish, but I'm saying it is still risky, yeah, to take a decision right now because I see unfinished structure, yeah, still. Yeah, and I cannot consider a contracting diagonal. This wave 5 is longer, so I suggest still one more low at least to make sure that okay we have bottomed and then moving for higher. Yeah, it means to come back to the normal. Yeah, I mean I know that the things economically are crazy happening right now and doing these things, but I mean I prefer to come back normal to here, test the range, test the price action, and then see what's gonna happen. If we get 3 waves up continuation, then okay, I know that we are in wave C or a wave 2. If we see 5 waves up and then continuation towards the upside, then yes, we are in a bullish scenario. So and this move towards the upside, this was not meant to be like a wave 2, by the way, like this one. Yeah? This was meant in this area. We were looking that maybe that we are 1, 2, 3 A, B, C for a wave 4 without reaching the invalidation point, as you can see, invalidation of bullish, yeah, because we were looking for one more wave 5 probably in case that we have an extended wave 4, but this was a very very low possibility. Yeah, so therefore now what happened was this, I have to shift all of that to here, like this. Yeah, and then simply moving for higher. However, this can still be, if let's say this is an ABC as well, 3 waves up, it still can of course unfold a wave C and a wave 2 toward the downside as well. Yeah, so I cannot say we are bullish for TAO as well. So these are the insights, guys. Yeah, the price market is a little bit weird, to be honest. Since the weekend, we are looking at weird things on the charts. I don't feel like this is normal, of course, and you do the same, I'm pretty sure. But of course, this is related to some economic impacts, right, from the US as well. And yeah, but we're gonna see what's gonna happen, guys. We're gonna see, but be careful. It is very risky to say like we are very bullish in a 1-2 right now, with a very weird unfinished wave 2, because this it's not finished as WXY. It's not finished as a zigzag because of this one simple lag. This is the thing. I don't know if I'm wrong, of course. I mean, sometimes can Elliott wave be mistaken sometimes, or if there is some deviation that it happens in the charts like now? Probably. So, of course, we can take this into consideration, but in my point of view, I prefer to see one more leg and then moving for higher, going back to the normal path. That was it for TAO. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.